guys, welcome back to my channel.
¡Huele a pescado!
There is a rainstorm right now, and
¡Huele a pescado! ¡Huele a pescado!
oh my god, plants, poor plants. Oh my god, just literally, pow! Oh my god. We have like a camera right there, like my dad put it for safety for us. So oh my god, you saw that, guys? Whoa! It's really scary also. That dude is like literally like walking. Wait, is it here? Come on, dude, there's rain. Oh my god, this is so scary. Hey guys, like I'm right here. Like, thank you guys for watching this video right now. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video big thumbs up. If you don't know, I'll be shouting people who are then subscribing to my channel. So yeah. So if you want a shout out, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh my god. If you know, guys, like last time, well, I didn't film because it was really scary. Like right here, like over in the grass and over there, it was a whole bunch of water for real. Yeah, it's a little calming down a little bit. If you don't know, guys, like there's like coming storms to here, and you have to be really careful because you know what is happening right now for COVID-19. Be careful, guys, if anything happens to you. And yeah, right here, it's really stormy. Oh my god. Go a little bit closer. I'll get really scared, but okay. It's literally raining. So, okay. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. If you did, subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. Dios le bendiga. Adiós.